Hey G Squad, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how I made this shrimp fried vegetable quinoa. So if you would like to see how I put this dish together, then keep watching. Alright G Squad, so I have all the ingredients laid out here. So let's start with I'm going to be mincing part of this ginger as well as about 3 or 4 cloves of this garlic. I have bean sprouts that I'm going to add to it. Also, I'm using some of these wild caught broth white shrimps. Probably use maybe like a pound of these. You'll see it in the next clip. I'm going to add about a cup of these frozen mixed vegetables to this dish. Then over here, I have some scallions or green onions. Also, I'm going to be using some sesame oil, and then I have some dark soy sauce I'm going to be using to give that rice that fried, effect, that brown rice, look. Then I'm going to be adding some chicken broth. Today we're going to be using the white quinoa, and then my seasonings, I have black pepper as well as salt. And I'm going to be listing the ingredients as we go along in the recipe, okay? So with that being said, let's get right into it. G Squad. So I present to you my vegetable quinoa, shrimp fried vegetable quinoa. Okay, and it tastes so good. And yeah, I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please make sure you give it a thumbs up, share, subscribe, like, and comment below. And I look forward to seeing y'all in the next video. Bye.